Welcome to another breathtaking episode of TVPTT. Eventually I will get that name right. Travel vlog photography type thing. We are in Tenforsen in Swedish Lapland. No, in Swedish Jämtland. It's the largest waterfall in Sweden. Not the tallest, but the largest. And we came last night around 1 o'clock and was hoping for some northern lights over the waterfall, but we were no lucky about that. It's a little bit too much south to shoot good aurora here, but yes, so we're about to go down to check out the waterfall, and it's about 12 minus degrees, so it's pretty cold. I was hoping for a little bit more snow, but it's only like frosting. So let's get down to the waterfall. And as always, you have to forget something. And I forgot my drone in the car. I have to walk all the way back here. It's a fairly simple walk. And I think I will have to do some slippery climbing down at the waterfall. So let's see how that goes. I'm just gonna get my drone now. Let's try again. See you down there. So my hands are like completely iced from flying the drone. So I'm just gonna wait for them to wake up a bit, and then I'm gonna take some shots with the camera and then get back to the car to eat some breakfast. And that's gonna be sweet. And the picture I will take, I think the camera will be like around there somewhere in the tripod, and I will be on there maybe, and then the waterfall will be there in the background. So we'll see if it works. So that was the waterfall, and my hands are no longer part of my body, I think. So we're going up to take some shots a little bit further up on the waterfall, and then back to the car for some breakfast. And then guess what? We're going to another waterfall. We actually have a lot of waterfalls in Sweden. So, see you at breakfast. Would you look at this luxurious table, coffee, eating. So now it's time for breakfast and then go to Klövsjö. So we just arrived at Ristafallet. It's about 40 minutes from the other waterfall. It's a bit warmer here. So just checking for where to take pictures. So that was Ristafallet. I'm back at the car now. And I just realized that all the photos from the drone from the other waterfall I took in JPEG because I did the update of the firmware a couple of days ago. So classic idiot. But I think I can use them anyway. And also, if you take a drone in the winter time in a waterfall like this, it's really hard. You have to go back, clean the lens and put it out again and do it, because it's so much like mist in the air from the waterfall, so that freezes on the lens and also on the sensors on the drone, so the sensors doesn't work as well, so you have to be really careful. And also your hands freeze to death when you stand still. But otherwise, cool place. And we are still like in the Åre region of Jämtland. Now we're gonna drive like 2 hours down to Klövsjö and check out some other old waterfalls.